Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to turn a regular mini heater into a smart one, controllable through Alexa. I use this heater under my desk, and switching it on and off manually is inconvenient. So let's fix that and make life a little easier. To get started, here's what we'll need: a mini smart switch, a wire stripper, a screwdriver. Make sure to have these tools handy before we begin. Here's the heater we're working with, along with its model and power ratings. I've already disassembled the heater using a screwdriver. The next step is to check if there's enough space inside to fit the smart switch. Luckily, I found some space inside the heater to adjust the device. However, please note, this placement is not recommended for everyone, as there's a risk of short circuits. Proceed only if you're experienced, and never leave the device unattended when in use. I've cut the wires just before the heater's existing switch. This allows me to use some of the extra wire already available inside without needing additional wiring. Now let's connect the live and neutral wires to the mini smart switch. Make sure the connections are secure. Before we lock the smart switch inside, we need to pair it. Press and hold the button on the switch until the light starts blinking slowly. This indicates the device is in pairing mode. I'm using the Cozy Life app for this process because other apps were unreliable. Here's how to pair. Open the Cozy Life app. Tap the Add Device option. The device should already be ready to pair. Select your local Wi-Fi network, enter the password, and press Connect. Wait for a few seconds and the device will connect to your Wi-Fi. Once connected, test the on-off button in the app to ensure it works. You should hear the relay click when toggling the switch. Now that the smart switch is paired, let's connect the remaining wires to live out and neutral out. Fix the smart switch securely inside the heater, and then reassemble the heater using the screwdriver. Finally, let's link the Cozy Life app to Alexa to control this device using voice commands. This link will allow access to read all the devices inside Cozy Life app. Open the Alexa app, go to Devices and select your newly added device. Edit the name of the device to something meaningful like heater and save it. Now you can control your heater through Alexa using voice commands.
Alexa, turn off heater. Alexa, turn on heater.